1. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Correct answer Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Next question, which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? Correct answer Godavari. Next question, in which year did India gain independence? Correct answer 1947. Next question, who was the first president of India? Correct answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question, what is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer Bhopal. Next question, where is the headquarters of Indian Railways? Correct answer New Delhi. Next question, who wrote the national anthem of India? Correct answer Rabindranath Tagore. Next question, which planet is known as the Red Planet? Correct answer Mars. Next question, who discovered the sea route to India? Correct answer Vasco da Gama. Next question, which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer nitrogen. Next question, which Indian state has the longest coastline? Correct answer Gujarat. Next question, who is the current Railway Minister of India as of 2025? Correct answer Ashwini Vaishnaw. Next question, which is the largest railway station in India area-wise? Correct answer Howrah Junction. Next question, the term Fourth Estate refers to? Correct answer press/media. Next question, which is the national aquatic animal of India? Correct answer river dolphin. Next question, when was the Indian Constitution adopted? Correct answer November 26, 1949. Next question, which city is called the Silicon Valley of India? Correct answer Bengaluru. Next question, what is the chemical formula of water? Correct answer H2O. Next question, who was the founder of the Maurya dynasty? Correct answer Chandragupta Maurya. Next question, the speed of light is? Correct answer 300,000 kilometers per second. Next question, which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Correct answer Shah Jahan. Next question, which is the smallest state in India? Correct answer Goa. Next question, the largest desert in the world is? Correct answer Sahara. Next question, which body conducts RRB exams? Correct answer Railway Recruitment Board. Next question, where is the Indian Rail Museum located? Correct answer New Delhi.